Hi everyone, I'm Paddy Donnelly and I am the illustrator of The Big Bang, which is one of the £1, €1.50 books for World Book Day 2026. And here are my 5 recommended books for what to read next. The first one is A Little Birdie Told Me by Tarsila Kruse. And this is a story all about a birthday party that is happening. And it's for someone very, very special. And all along the way, these birds are bringing something new to the party, and you're going to learn a lot of different bird names along the way. So really great book by the amazing Tarsila Kruse. The next one is a book by myself. This is Ava and the Acorn, which is written by Lu Fraser, and I did the illustrations. And it's about a little girl and her grandfather, and they live beside this oak tree, which is really special to them. And this oak tree, they have a swing on it, and the grandfather uses it to teach Ava all about the circle of life and everything. And I got to do some really lovely illustrations in all 4 seasons. So definitely a good one if you like learning about nature. The next one involves a monster. It's called I'm Gonna Eat a Monster. And it's by Kael Tudor and illustrated by Scott Wilson. And this one involves this little bunny here who is off to eat a monster. And this wolf thinks that's a bit suspicious and goes along, follows this bunny to see if really he is going to eat a monster or not. Really funny, and you'll definitely love the ending. The next one has a very important message, which is don't trust fish. I mean, why would you trust fish? They're very untrustworthy. And this story is quite hilarious. It's by Neil Sharpson and illustrated by Dan Santat, and involves a lot of very untrustworthy fish. Very good. I would highly recommend it. And my last one is a classic book, which is Richard Skerry's Busy, Busy Town. And this sort of story is what I read as a kid and inspires me an awful lot when I come to make my own stories, which involve lots of different animal characters with their own little shops and everything. And you can see all of these different characters doing lots of really fun things in this little town. It's well worth checking out. So those are my 5 recommendations, and I really hope you enjoyed them. Happy reading.